Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This comes with our RST trim package, Z71 package, as well as our four-wheel drive. It's all powered by our 5.3-liter V8 engine. We have our blacked out Chevrolet bow ties on front and rear, our running boards, alloy rims on our Goodyear tires, as well as our rear privacy tint. We also have our cream interior with brown. I'll show you more of that in just a second. Now onto the interior of the Silverado. I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel here. We can see we have our black soft touch leather combined with our dark gray stitching, as well as our black stitching on the lower portion. And we also have our light gray leather. I'll show you more of that in a little bit here. Just in front we have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, as well as our wooden trim, rear and front window controls, rear window locks, and power mirror adjustment with joystick. Bose speaker down below is part of the Bose Performance Series audio system. Storage in the bottom portion of the door card, and controls on the left side of the driver's seat with our lumbar support, also in light gray. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive system, fog lights, truck bed lighting, our interior lighting dimmer switch, and daytime running lights. And down below we have our electronic park brake. Gauge cluster with screen in the middle. We can adjust what we see on the screen with the scroll wheel and buttons on the right side of the wheel. We also have our voice commands and phone hang up. Textured black Chevrolet bow tie in the middle. And we have our heated steering wheel and cruise control option. Steering wheel is finished in black with our dark gray stitching on the underside. Speaker tweeters on either side of the A-pillar on the dash. We have our infotainment screen here with our audio phone. We also have our Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can see our shortcuts for those options down below. Then we have our second page. We have our climate controls and camera, adaptive guidelines, and our hitch camera as well. Then we have our home screen here so we can see our 5-station presets up top, our radio controls, connected phone, and again, those shortcuts stay with us regardless of where we go. Down below we have our volume controls. We also have our home button for the infotainment, so you can select back and tune. Pretty standard radio controls. But down below we have our climate controls. So we have our dual zone. Turn that down. We have our dual zone. We also have our degrees Celsius temperature dial in the middle. We have our sync option as well as our auto. And then we have our standard climate controls in the middle with our fan speed. Then we have our 2 heated seat options, park assist, automatic start stop, power tailgate release, hazards, traction control, our power outlet on and off for the outlet just down below, and then our hill descent assist. And we also have our trailer brake, USB-C and USB, and a 12-volt charging port. Textured rubber on a storage compartment. Then we have the same wooden trim and chrome on the side. 2 cup holders with storage in the middle. And the center console lid is finished in our light gray leather, which we'll see a lot in this vehicle in this vehicle. And then we also have our textured rubber for our phone holder on the top of the center console. Open it up, and we have that same textured rubber on the bottom portion. LED light, and on the other side we have a USB-C, USB, auxiliary input, and SD card slot. The front seats are featured in the light gray, which is very, very special for a truck like this. And we have it running all the way down, combined with our light gray stitching. Very unique look for a very unique truck. Above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls, our rear sliding window controls, dome lights and dome light settings, as well as our 3 garage door openers. And the headliner in this truck is fully black. Back onto the exterior, we can see we have our black Chevrolet bow tie and our black grille. We also have around the side our Goodyear tires on our alloy rims with our Chevrolet bow tie center caps. It looks very tidy. Then we have our Z71 badging, that nice white metallic paint, black mirror caps, black painted metallic, and then we also have our rear privacy tint on the rear 3 windows, running boards, lock and unlock button on the driver's door, and our rear bumper steps on our paint matched bumper with our Chevrolet recessed into the tailgate and finished in black. Then we have RST and Silverado also blacked out, and dual exhaust underneath. Press on the rubber pad and it'll activate our power tailgate release, and we'll see we have a full line truck bed with a Chevrolet bow tie at the front. Now back onto the interior, I just want to make a quick correction on what I said earlier. The interior, I noticed once I opened the door, is actually featured fully in brown. It was a bit tough to tell earlier, but we can see we have a full brown interior. The steering wheel is wrapped in brown leather. We also have in the inside brown leather on the door panel, fully brown, even on the inside center console and glove boxes. And on the rear interior, it's no different. We have the brown and cream combination. We also have our chrome door handle, wooden panel, our window control, speaker and storage down below. We have our cream leather magazine holders. Then we also have our 2 cup holders, vents, USB-C, USB, and 12-volt charging port. The back seats, again, are featured in our light gray cream. Then we also have the addition of our storage fold-out seats, which offer storage behind while not compromising our comfort. Then we have our middle fold-out seats with 2 cup holders and storage, rear defrost lines, and rear sliding window. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.